Good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss Twelfth Night by William Shakespeare. Twelfth Night is a romantic comedy written by William Shakespeare. The story begins with a shipwreck that separates twins Viola and Sebastian. Viola, believing her brother is dead, disguises herself as a boy named Cesario and enters the services of Duke Orsino. Duke Orsino is in love with Lady Olivia, but she refuses his advances. Orsino sends Cassirio, who is Viola in disguise, to woo Olivia on his behalf. However, Olivia falls in love with Cesario and not knowing Cesario is actually Viola. Meanwhile, Sebastian is alive and arrives in the same town. Confusion and mistaken identities follows. Eventually, all is revealed. Viola is woman and she marries Duke Orsino. Olivia mistaking Sebastian for Cesario and ends up marrying Sebastian. Now the story in Hindi. ट्वेल्थ नाइट एक हास्यास्पद रोमांटिक नाटक है जिसे विलियम शेक्सपियर ने लिखा है। कहानी एक जहाज दुर्घटना से शुरू होती है जिसमें जुड़वा भाई बहन वियोला और सेबेस्टियन बिछुड़ जाते हैं। वियोला सोचती है कि उसका भाई मर गया है और वह एक लड़के के भेष में सिजेरियो नाम से ड्यूक और सीनो के दरबार में सेवा करने लगती है। ड्यूक ओर्सिनो लेडी ओलिविया से प्रेम करता है, लेकिन ओलिविया उसे ठुकरा देती है। ओर्सिनो अपने संदेश वाहक सिजेरियो, जो असलियत में वियोला है, को ओलिविया को रिझाने भेजता है, लेकिन ओलिविया सिजेरियो से ही प्रेम कर बैठती है, यह जाने बिना कि वो एक लड़की है। इसी बीच सेबेस्टियन जिंदा होता है और उसी शहर में पहुंचता है। बहुत सारी गलतफहमियां और पहचान की भूलें होती हैं। अंततः सच्चाई सामने आती है। वियोला एक लड़की है और ड्यूक ओर्सिनो से विवाह करती है। ओलिविया सिजेरियो समझकर सेबेस्टियन से विवाह कर चुकी होती है। फ्लो चार्ट ऑफ द ट्वेल्थ नाइट। फर्स्ट, shipwreck, then twins separated, Viola and Sebastian, then Viola disguises as Cesario, and then joins Duke Orsino's service, and then Orsino loves Olivia and sends Cesario, and next Olivia falls for Cesario, that is Viola. Next, Sebastian arrives with mistaken identity, and then Olivia marries Sebastian, and truth revealed, Viola is a woman. Viola marries Orsino. Now we will discuss main characters. First one is Viola. Viola is the intelligent and resourceful heroine who disguises herself as a young man named Cesario. After being shipwrecked, she enters Duke Orsino's service and becomes entangled in a web of love and mistaken identity. Second one is Sebastian. Sebastian is Viola's twin brother, thought to be dead. His arrival in Ilaria causes confusion due to his striking resemblance to Viola as Cesario. Third character is Duke Orsino. He is noble Duke of Ilaria, hopelessly in love with Lady Olivia at the beginning of the play. At the beginning of the play, he uses Cesario or Viola to woo Olivia, unaware that Viola loves him. Fourth main character is Olivia. Olivia is a wealthy countess mourning her brother's death. She rejects Orsino's love but quickly falls for Cesario, who is Viola in disguise, and later marries Sebastian, mistaking him for Cesario. And next main character is Malvolio. Malvolio is Olivia's puritanical steward. His self-love and ambition make him target for cruel pranks by other members of Olivia's household. Sixth one is Sir Toby Belch. He is Olivia's boisterous and drunken uncle. He enjoys revelry and is the mastermind behind the prank on Malvolio. Next main character is Maria. Maria is Olivia's clever and mischievous maid. She orchestrates the trick on Malvolio and eventually marries Sir Toby. Eighth main character is Sir Andrew Augustic, Aguechek, a foolish knight and friend of Sir Toby, who hopes to win Olivia's love. He is ridiculed for his cowardice and lack of intelligence. Next character is Feiste, Olivia's witty and philosophical fool who also moves between households. He provides insight and commentary throughout the play. Next one is Antonio. Antonio is sea captain who rescues and deeply cares for Sebastian. His devotion is sincere, but he is wanted man in Orsino's court. Few minor characters in the play are: first one is Captain, the sea captain who rescues Viola after the shipwreck and helps her disguise herself as Cesario. And next one is Valentine and Curio. These are the two gentlemen attending on Duke Orsino. They serve as minor courtiers and deliver messages. Next one is Fabian. Fabian is a servant in Olivia's household who joins in the prank against Malvolio. Next one is Priest. Priest officiates the secret wedding of Olivia. Now we discuss the multiple choice questions on 12th night. First one is, who is the Duke of Illyria? Options are Orsino, Sebastian, Antonio, and Malvolio. Right answer is Orsino. Next one is, who is Viola's male disguise male disguise name? Options are A. Sebastian, B. Cesario, C. Antonio, D. Fabian. Right answer is C. Right answer is B. Cesario. Next question. Who is in love with Olivia at the beginning of the play? A. Malvolio, B. Orsino, C. Sir Toby, D. Fabian. Right answer is B. Orsino. Fourth question. Olivia is mourning the death of her dash. A. Husband, B. Father, C. Brother, D. Cousin. Right answer is brother. Next question is,